You're silly. Be careful not to hurt him, okay?
I'm not hurting him.
Okay. Nikolai, come back here. Touch the pumpkin. Can you touch it? Listen. It's gooey. Hear it? Look at it. Ew, it's gooey. Come here, Nikolai. Touch it. Not Sammy. Come here. Can you touch it?
Hello.
Here you go, buddy. Elena, don't play with that, please. Nikolai, can you touch it? Get some out of the pumpkin? Why don't you get some out of the pumpkin and put it in the garbage bowl? Elena, can you? Are there seeds in there?
I can. You do it.
Should we get some seeds?
I can get something. I can't.
Well, how come you can't? You're making me do all the work. Come on, you wanted to do this. Get the rest out of it so we can carve him into a happy face. Do you want a happy face or a sad face?
A sad face.
Oh, what you doing now?
I don't know. I'm
Playing the pumpkin drums? It's your turn. Nikolai doesn't really like it, I don't think. He'll play the pumpkin drums, though. Okay, Nick, it's your turn. Hey, you want to get some pumpkin out so we can start carving them? He does not want anything to do with carving the pumpkin. Okay, so Elena, are you all done?
Yep.
You say bye?
Bye.
We're going to carve the pumpkin now?
Not yet.
Well, can you get the rest of the ickies out of there so we can carve it?